Hello guys, welcome to Bako Smart Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add link to Facebook story. So in order to add a link to a Facebook story, all we have to do, we have to link our Facebook account to our Instagram account, because there is no way you can post a link in the Facebook app. So the best thing is to link our Facebook account to our Instagram account. So now I'm going to head over to my Instagram account, then go to my profile icon and tap it to the profile page. After doing that, I'll tap on the three dots or three line at the top right corner. Then after tapping on it, then it's going to pop you up here. Tap on account center. When you tap on account center, tap on the first option that says profile, then tap on add account. But here, as you can see, my Facebook account is added already. So I'll just show you how you can add yours also. So I'm going to tap on add account. Then after tapping on it, it's going to pop you up here to this page. Then here you are going to provide your login information. You are going to put in your login. After putting in your login, then you are going to log in. Then they are going to send you a confirmation code to your email. Then you are going to go back to that email. After going back to that email, copy the confirmation code and then paste it here, then and confirm. That's all. Then your account is going to link here, it's going to show up here. So now let me show you how to add link to your Facebook story. When you go to the dashboard over here, tap on add story here. When you tap on it, then here I'm just going to select a random picture so that I'll make my story. Then after tapping on it, I'm going to slide up like this. I'll use my one finger and slide up. Then option is going to pop up here. As you can see, this is link over here. Tap on it. When you tap on it, it's going to ask you to paste the link you want to add to your story. Then I'm just going to go back. Maybe I'm just going to use my channel. For example, my channel link. I'm going to use it as an example. So I'll just go back to the app, then I'll paste the link. After pasting the link, then I'll tap on done. Then it's going to bring me back to the editing stage here. Then here you can use your two fingers and drag in and drag out. You can tap on it to change the color of the link. You can just use your finger and be tapping it. And if you want to change the size of the link, you can just drag it and drag out with your two fingers. So now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to tap on done over here. Then we are going to tap on share. Then after tapping on share, it's going to pop up to here. Then you are going to tap on share to our Facebook story. Then we are going to click on share to our Facebook story here. Then after doing that, we are going to click on done. Then I'll just wait for some seconds. Then I'm going to go back to my Facebook. Then after going to my Facebook, I'm going to refresh it. As you can see, the link has been posted to my Facebook story. Here, if I like, I will just pause it. Then I'm going to click on the link so that you can see. Let me tap on the link. As you can see, it's saying visit link. And if I tap on the link, it's going to take me to my YouTube channel, which was the link I used. As you can see, here is the page, or here is the link I posted to my story. So guys, this is how to add link to your Facebook story. Don't forget, if you found this video very helpful, consider giving me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.